I'm bored. Let's go watch Ancient Aliens.
Yeah, but we have to ask Mom first.
All right.
Hey Mom, can we watch Ancient Aliens?
Have you done an activity?
We don't need to do any more. See? They're all done.
So, are we on episode 3?
I think we finished episode 3 today. I like the ending though, that was funny.
It wasn't.
Yeah, that was funny.